Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael Woznicka, bringing you guys a video on how to get The Walking Dead, the Telltale series, the final season, full version for free. So go ahead and click the link in the description, which will lead you to nosteam.ro. This site is just amazing. Huge shout out to this website. You can get absolutely any game for free, and I'm pretty sure that this website is updated monthly, so if a new game comes out they'll add it, and yeah, and then it'll be in yellow. So these are the latest games. So anyways, you would want to click on this green click here button, and this includes with episode 1, 2, 3 and 4 when these two come out. So just click here and then just click the grey download button and wait 30 seconds, and I'll be right back once this finishes. Next, you guys would want to download Utorrent. The link to this download will be in the description below, so just go ahead and click on it, scroll down and make sure to download Utorrent Classic. Don't pay for it because it's a rip-off. Click next, I agree. Make sure to click decline so it doesn't install an antivirus, and untick this box, because if you don't untick this box then some random internet browser will download along with Utorrent. So after click next, personal preference, I tend to untick these two boxes and click next. This is personal preference. Once again, I just tend to untick this box and hit next, and just wait till it downloads. Next, launch Utorrent and click finish. You don't need to restart your PC. So after you have waited 30 seconds, click I'm not a robot, and now your download should begin, and I'll be back once this finishes downloading. So the download has finished downloading, so what I did was dragged it over to my desktop, and now double click it. Now choose your destination folder. I'll go ahead and create one in my second SSD. I'll create a new folder called TheWalkingDead. Click OK and install. Now a bunch of ads should pop up. Make sure to close off of them. One ad that scared the living shite out of me was the one that makes us like a weird beeping sound. It was just out of nowhere, and I don't know, man, I just got scared, you know. So yeah, just go ahead and untick this because it's just a waste, and click OK. This game is only 6.1 gigabytes, so it's really nothing. And one thing about this control panel is just click any button to exit out of it, and yeah, just right click on your download, bang the width allocation and set this to high to maximize your download speed. So I don't know, this apparently will take me 50 minutes, so I'll be right back once this finishes downloading. Alright guys, so the download has finished. Now what you guys would want to do is right click on the download and click stop, and I'll double click on this, continue, and here you go, you have The Walking Dead installer. This is not the game yet. If you don't want to carry on watching this video, then just double click on this file, how to install, and yeah, just read this. These are the minimum system requirements. So you need a Windows 7, Intel Core 2 Duo 2.8 GHz, 3 GB of RAM, you know, GeForce GTS 450. To check what system you guys have is just double click on this PC, right click, properties, and here is your processor or your CPU, and this is the speed of your CPU, and this is how much RAM you have. And to see what GPU you have, just right click on your desktop and click on the Nvidia control panel if you have a Nvidia graphics card, so a GTX or a GT or any of these. And in the Nvidia control panel there will be your graphics card. I have the GTX 1070 Ti, and if I overclock it, it will basically work as a GTX 1080, but I won't because I don't know how to yet. I can make a video on it if you guys want. Just comment down below and I'll be sure to make one as fast as I can. So anyways, these are the episodes that are included because episode 3 and 4 aren't even out yet, but as soon as they do get released, then the site will get updated and the episodes will probably automatically be downloaded, or if not, you guys will need to go over to No Steam once again and head over to The Walking Dead season 4, and then there should be a link to the episodes. Okay, so this is what you guys would want to do. Right click on this installer, not the zip file or the .rar file, on the .exe. Right click it and run this as a administrator. If this pops up, then click on more info and run anyway. Now follow the same procedure. Choose what destination you want the folder to be created in. I want it to be created in my SSD, my second SSD, and in the Walking Dead file. Hit OK and install. So just wait till the download finishes. It shouldn't take longer than 3 minutes. Okay guys, so now the download has finished, and what you guys would want to do is right click on the shortcut that has been installed onto your desktop, go to properties, compatibility, and run this program as an administrator and hit apply.